In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce and shorten text in Excel cells. Open Excel, then open the workbook where you want to shorten the text. Once the sheet is visible, look at the first few columns so it is clear what needs to be cleaned up. In column A, the names have extra spaces around them. In column B, the product descriptions are long. In column C, the product codes are long as well. We are going to clean the names, shorten the descriptions, and pull a shorter category from the product codes. Click cell D2. This is where the cleaned version of the name in A2 will appear. Type equals trim open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis. Then press enter. Cell D2 now shows the name with the extra spacing removed, leaving only single spaces between words. Click D2 again, move to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell, and when the pointer changes over the fill handle, double-click it. Excel fills the formula down through row 8. Now column D shows each name cleaned up, without leading spaces, trailing spaces, or doubled spaces inside the text. Next, move to the long descriptions. Click cell E2. Here we will keep only the first 20 characters from the description in B2. Type equals left open parenthesis B2, 20 close parenthesis. Then press enter. Cell E2 now displays only the beginning of that product description. The remaining text is cut off. Click E2 again. Go to the fill handle in the lower right corner and double-click it to copy the formula down to row 8. Column E now contains shortened versions of all the descriptions, each limited to 20 characters. Now we will shorten the product codes by extracting only the category word from each one using flash fill. Click cell F2. Before you type anything, look at cell C2. The code there reads as a product label with several parts joined together, and the part you want to keep is the middle word, headphones. In F2, type HEADPHONES, then press enter. This gives Excel a pattern to learn from. Click cell F3. Go to the Data tab in the ribbon. In the Data Tools group, click Flash Fill. You can also do this with Ctrl+E. Excel uses the example you entered in F2 and fills the cells below with matching category words from the other product codes. F3 through F8 are filled with the shortened values. CH, care, bottle, keyboard, WEBCAM, SDM, SD, and desk. At this point, the main text reduction work is done. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you want to replace the original data with the shortened results, start with the clean names. Select cells D2 through D8. Press Ctrl+C to copy them. Then click cell A2. Go to the Home tab. Click the bottom half of the Paste button, and under Paste Values, choose Values, V. This pastes only the clean text back into column A. The names in column A are now the cleaned versions, and column D can be deleted. Use that same copy and paste values process if you want the shortened descriptions to replace the originals in column B. Select E2 through E8, copy them, click B2, open the Paste menu from the Home tab, and choose Values, V under Paste Values. That replaces the long descriptions with the shortened text only, without leaving the formulas behind. After these steps, the worksheet shows the text reduction methods clearly. Column A contains clean names with proper spacing because of the trim function. Column E shows product description shortened to 20 characters using the left function. Column F showed the category pulled from each product code using flash fill. These three tools work side by side to reduce and shorten text in Excel cells, without editing each entry manually.